Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. My issue here is the shower head holder. It's very loose. When it's wet, it just slides down. I have replaced this head. It is heavier, to be honest, so the holder wasn't really designed for it. So what we need to do is replace this with a nice new one, which is going to hold it. Really doesn't hold it up, and now it's starting to slide down, because when it gets used, the crown pipe starts to get wet with the condensation caused from the heat from the water, of course, and it makes for rather an annoying shower. So let's fix this. So this is the new holder. It's adjustable from around about 18mm to 25mm. And it can be put onto the shower riser rail without having to dismantle it, which is a bonus. So we've put the new holder on, and obviously the head. And in the interest of fairness, I've made the pipe just as wet to simulate the condensation. Now, it will push down if I use enough power, but it's not now sliding down of its own accord. So we'll turn the water on and just have a look and see what difference that's made. Well, I call that a result. Thanks for watching. Until next time.